Hello everyone, welcome to Shiva Tech Lab. If your Arduino Serial Monitor is showing garbage values or strange symbols or random characters, then don't worry, I will show you the exact fix in just 2 minutes. See here, in your serial monitor, you are seeing the garbage values like this, or you may get a different symbols also. In that case, it mainly happens because of the bond mismatch. Here you can see in the code you have defined to 9600, but here we have chosen the 4800. There is a mismatch. In this case it will show these symbols. So you need to select the same bond rate what is written in the code. If you selected same bond rate, then see here we are getting the output. You can understand whether the bond rate is correct or not from here. Suppose if you selected the higher bond rate at the time, you will get the more garbages. Now you hope you have understood. This happens mainly because of bond miss rate. So you need to select the correct bond rate, then only it will work fine. After this fix also still you have getting the issue, means it mainly due to the check whether the port is connected properly or not. Again check, see whether the USB cable is correct or not. Restart the Arduino, change the port, then definitely it will help to fix you. If still you have any doubt, you can comment, I will answer you. If this video found you helpful, please hit a like button and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.